Just this morning, the Kansas City Police Board of Commissioners passed the embattled plan to combine the city and police department health insurance.
Lindsay Shively is live with more. Lindsay.
Curtis, it's just been about an hour since the Board of Commissioners there at the police department approved combining those insurance plans. And already we talked to a representative from the Fraternal Order of Police who says they plan to file a lawsuit. Their battle is not over. That is the standing room only crowd of members of the police department standing and showing their support after a retired officer asked to speak. Extremely upset, she says, that the wishes of many officers had been ignored because they do not want to combine their plan with the city's. She argued the change in plans would cost more money. Now, the head of the Board of Commissioners argued the plan had to pass because it was good health care that allowed the department staff in charge of the insurance plan to be able to keep their jobs, and also it was the only way to give members of the police department across the board a raise. That not sufficient for the officers that came to listen to today.
The city manager tells us that you're not going to get the raises unless, we go for this. That's extortion. And we are all police officers, and that's what we try to do, is fight corruption and fight for, and for you to go up there and say, this is the reason why we're voting for it, is because so you can get the raises. No, you should be fighting for us to get the raises anyway.
And very simply, without consolidation, there was to be no pay raise. What we talked about and what we battled with was trying to prevent the perfect from being the enemy of the good. This is good. There is room to go. There is room to move forward, and there will be movement forward. But very simply, there was no pay raise without consolidation.
The Board of Commissioners went on to say they do think this will allow there to be raises across the board averaging between $2,000 and $4,000 a year. Also, this gives representation for the police department on the board of this plan that he says will allow them to re-examine this plan every year. Meanwhile, the Fraternal Order of Police says they plan to release a statement very soon. As soon as we hear from them, we'll let you know. We're live downtown. Lindsay Shively, 41 Action News.